After weeks of pressure, Germany has confirmed the delivery of the much sought-after Leopard 2 main battle tank to Ukraine. Berlin will provide a company of 14 Leopard 2 A6 tanks from Bundeswehr stocks and the training of the Ukrainian crews to begin quickly in Germany. In addition to training, the package will also include logistics, ammunition, and maintenance of the systems. The German defense minister said the Leopard tanks could be operational in Ukraine in about 3 months. Boris Pistorius, speaking to reporters Wednesday, said the training would come first, then the tanks would be delivered. President Zelensky said on Twitter, "German main battle tanks, further broadening of defense support and training missions, green light for partners to supply similar weapons. Just heard about these important and timely decisions in a call with Olaf Scholz," further adding that he was sincerely grateful to the Chancellor and all our friends. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Leopard 2 A6 could change the balance of the war in Ukraine. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. Use the code DEFENSE at the checkout to get an extra month free for the 2-year plan. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Development of the Leopard 2 main battle tank, MBT, began in 1970. It was designed by West German arms producer Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann to replace the original Leopard tank, which entered service in 1965. The first prototypes of the Leopard 2 were completed in 1972. By 1993, German Army operated a total of around 2,200 of these MBTs. The Leopard 2 was also a commercial success and was exported worldwide. Export operators include Netherlands, Switzerland, Sweden, Spain, and Turkey, to name a few. The 2A6 variant weighs around 62.3 tons. This MBT has a welded hull and turret. Composite armor of the Leopard 2 tank is similar to British Shabam. It offers good protection against armor-piercing rounds and anti-tank guided weapons. The Leopard 2 has a crew of 4, including a commander, gunner, loader, and driver. Ready-to-use ammunition is stowed in a separate compartment in the turret bustle with blowout panels. This improved survivability of the crew. The tank is fitted with an NBC protection system. One interesting feature about this main battle tank is that it has an escape hatch on the floor behind the driver. The Leopard 2 is equipped with a fire protection system. 4 9-kilogram Halon fire extinguisher bottles are installed on the right behind the driver's station. The bottles are connected to pipes and hoses and are activated automatically. The tank is powered by an MTU MB 873 KA501 turbocharged diesel engine. The MTU MB 873 KA501 is a 4-stroke, 47.7-liter, 90-degree V-block, 12-cylinder, twin turbocharged and intercooled, liquid-cooled diesel engine with multi-fuel capability. It provides 1,500 PS, that's 1.1 megawatts, at 2,600 RPM, and 4,700 Newton-meters of torque at 1,600 to 1,700 RPM. The Leopard has a torsion bar suspension and advanced friction dampers. It has a maximum range of 340 kilometers or 210 miles and a maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour or 43 miles per hour. The Leopard 2 can be fitted with a deep wading kit. After preparation, it can ford water obstacles up to 4 meters deep. The Leopard 2A6 includes the addition of the Rheinmetall 120mm L55 smoothbore gun. The vehicle carries 42 rounds for the main gun. A total of 15 ready-to-use rounds are available. The Leopard 2 normally uses 2 main types of ammunition, the APF SDS-T armor-piercing rounds, and Heat MPT multi-purpose rounds. The APF SDS-T round penetrates around 450 millimeters of rolled homogeneous armor, equivalency at 2,000 meters range. Germans estimated that their Leopard 2 tank could penetrate frontal armor of the Soviet T-72 tank at a range of 2,000 meters, and frontal armor of the T-62 tank at a range of over 4,000 meters. The Heat MPT round is effective against both soft and hard targets. The gun of the Leopard 2 tank is known for its high accuracy. The Leopard 2 is equipped with 2 machine guns, one mounted coaxially, the other on an anti-aircraft mount. German models use the MG3 7.62mm machine gun. It has thermal imaging, which allows them to be operated in the dark of night, plus magnified optics with a laser rangefinder to track distant target. Ukraine has said it has an urgent need for heavier armor in its war against Russia's invasion. Kyiv has limited availability of tanks, most of them from the Soviet or post-Soviet era. It's believed that Moscow intends to launch a significant new offensive in the coming months. Kyiv and many of its allies feel that the war will end more quickly if Russia's offensive is thwarted decisively. Ukraine has suggested it needs 300 tanks, while Western analysts have suggested that 100 could probably be enough. Leopard 2A6 will be a handful for any Russian tank operating in Ukraine and deadly for the widely operated T-72s. The widespread availability of Leopards, including in neighboring Poland, which wants to supply them to Ukraine, makes them a good fit for Kyiv. Russia knows that the arrival of Leopard 2A6 is not a good development, and hence it's lashed out. The Russian embassy in Germany stated that the decision would worsen the war in Ukraine to a new level and lead to permanent escalation. Russia's foreign ministry spokeswoman, Maria Zakharova, said in a post on the Telegram messenger app that the German decision confirmed what she said was a pre-planned war against Moscow.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.